Are you feeling frustrated with the many global challenges we are currently facing, including environmental, economic, political, social, and health related? Are you wondering how you can make a difference, politically and socially? This course, written in conjunction with the UK, Welsh and Scottish Parliaments and Northern Ireland Assembly, will offer guidance and inspiration to all changemakers, no matter how small. By giving essential background to get you started, you will be equipped with tools on how to make change politically and socially, through examples of inspiring changemakers and advice on how to have an impact, inside and outside of parliamentary politics. You will explore some of the key citizenship skills and information needed to intervene in the world as it changes, and understand what active citizenship really means. Ultimately, this course will allow you to apply this knowledge in real-life settings and practice the key skills needed to make change. So let's get started.
Get more from the Open University. Check out the links on screen now.